Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Let's begin. And as you settle into your space, you can notice the weight of your body being supported completely. You can begin to listen to the sounds around you, not as distractions, but simply as notes in the symphony of this present moment. And with your next breath, you can allow your awareness to soften and turn gently inward. That's right. He welcomed you every do it once to soften and turn gently inward. That's right. I don't know exactly where your mind has been today, and you might notice thoughts still drifting by, like clouds in a vast sky, and that's perfectly okay. You might feel a certain restlessness or a desire to be somewhere else, doing something else. Or perhaps there's a quiet longing for a deeper sense of peace. And all of that is welcome here. All of it is part of the rich tapestry of your experience right now. You can begin to pace your breathing with my words, allowing each inhale to draw you deeper into this moment, and each exhale to release anything you no longer need to carry. Crushed her, inhaling presence. Crushed her, and you can recall a time, perhaps recently, perhaps long ago, when you felt a profound sense of stillness. It might have been watching a sunset, or holding a sleeping child, or simply sitting quietly after a long day. In that memory, time seemed to soften, and there was only the experience itself. This expited profound paced a revissor, it kissed it to pastis from my memory chimed massa clad, and the senthic red tonight lit at the basha, and in that memory, he fied, come now what's no to first words, a crowled ape quishes, maltho there fied monfe. And there was over was slore, and you'd sape that said, and let it grow warmer, brighter, more vivid in your heart and in your mind. And when that feeling is strong, clear, and resonant, I invite you to gently press your thumb and forefinger together on your right hand, creating a powerful anchor, a neurolinguistic link between this physical gesture and that profound state of present moment stillness. Well, you can test it now. Release the anchor. Let the feeling fade slightly, and then gently press your thumb and forefinger together again, and notice how that state of peaceful awareness returns effortlessly and immediately. Wonderful. Your nervous system is learning and remembering. Now, letting that memory gently fade, but carrying the anchored I am here. I am fully present in this moment. With every breath I take, I anchor myself deeper into the now. My mind is becoming a vast, clear sky. No, my mind is becoming a vast, clear sky. My mind is becoming a vast, clear sky. It with H-chort but darap asabase. Avaskoen Sayable. The past's the sky of my mind becomes more clear, more still, more profoundly peaceful. Gwozd. More profoundly peaceful. All of my awareness is gathering here in my body. I can feel the aliveness in my fingertips. I can sense the steady rhythm of my heart beating the drum of this present moment. I can feel the gentle rise and fall of my chest and abdomen with each breath. I can sense the steady rhythm of my heart beating the drum of this present moment. I can feel the gentle rise and fall of my chest and abdomen with each breath. My body is always here. It is always now. And by feeling into it, I effortlessly return home to the present. I release the need to be anywhere else. I dissolve the urge to do anything else. In this sacred space of awareness, I am already complete. I am already enough. The universe, and you might begin to notice a deepening stillness spreading from the center of your being. It's a stillness that is not empty, but profoundly full of awareness, full of peace, full of a quiet, powerful knowing. And this stillness is who you are beneath the thoughts, beneath the stories, and you can access it any time by simply remembering to feel your breath and by gently pressing your thumb and forefinger together. I am the silent witness to my own experience. Each end, I am the awareness in which sounds arise and fade. And ease. I am the space in which sensations come and go. I am the consciousness that knows all of this, yet is untouched by any of it. This awareness is my true home, and I am resting in it now. Every sensation is a doorway into the present. The weight of your body on the chair or floor, the texture of your clothing against your skin, the temperature of the air on your face. I meet each sensation with open curiosity, allowing it to be exactly as it is. In doing so, I step fully into the richness of the now. Time itself softens and expands in this field of awareness, and that quiets. There is no rush, there is no delay, there is only this eternal, ever-renewing moment. And I am not searching for peace. I am allowing peace to find me here in the absence of striving, and not trying to be mindful. I am recognizing that I am already awareness itself. This moment is perfect, not because it is pleasant, but because it is real, and I am here to meet it fully. My neurology, not the simple gentle pressure of thumb and forefinger, now holds the entire quality of present moment awareness. It is a neurolinguistic program for peace, installed and active. And I know that in any moment of my day, I can access this deep reservoir of stillness instantly. I carry this calm with me. It is the new background of my being, but then, even in motion, there is a still point within me. My moment, even in conversation, there is a silent listener within me. My no, the simple, gentle presence within me. Let now I am whole, my now I am free, my now I am awake, my night I am awake. Me was, my nothing is missing from this moment, and I am grateful for the profound simplicity of being here. Let this awareness soak into every cell of your body. Let it be absorbed into the very structure of your mind. These are not just words you are hearing. These are new neural pathways being formed. My nage to a presence. Mind out, there what tates, it's for. With would hold to be coupling. For would tates and the scent of kings be fomentily, who thinks their word in the days ahead. You'll notice this transformation unfolding naturally within you. Perhaps it's a moment of clarity, a surge of inner strength, or simply a deeper peace you hadn't felt before. These words have planted seeds deep in your subconscious, and they will grow effortlessly in their own time. Each time you return to this practice, they grow stronger. Your transformation continues even now, beyond this meditation, woven into the fabric of your being. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this wisdom with you into your day, until we meet again in stillness.